Well, we ran into Ashley from DMC who's putting finishing touches on Santa and his reindeer. Tell me, seeing it here after working on them for so long, what does it mean to you?
It means a lot. The process to make these things was a lot, and to be able to watch it fully from beginning to end is probably the best gift of all of this, just because it's part of the history here, and it's been something that our family's been doing for years. And to be able to have my daughter one day show her kids and be like, this is what my mom did, it makes me really happy. And it's heartwarming to watch it all. That's all, really.
You're bringing tears to my eyes because you're welling up. You're emotional about it, and I mean, to see it get suspended and finally see all of your work pay off, that must mean a lot.
It does. It means a whole lot, and actually to be a part of the putting it up is great. We didn't think we'd actually be able to come and watch all this and be a part of it, but it's magical. I love Christmas time. I love Balboa Park. I love the whole experience. The only thing I don't like is my car still smells like citrus from all the stripper. The stripper part was the most extensive part of all of this. It was probably a month of just stripping the reindeer of all the layers of old paint and having to throw away a whole pair of shoes just because you can't get all the junk of paint just accumulated on the bottom of your shoe. But yeah, it's magical to me. I think all of this is beautiful.
It was well worth all the work. And we were joking earlier that everything you own has a lot of paint on it. Do I see some Rudolph paint?
Everywhere. Yep, that's his nose, or not Rudolph's nose, that's their belt. There's a whole bunch of paint all over me. We had to come today and touch up some more because they fell a little bit, but they're good. It's great. I love all of this.
A special thank you to DMC for today's behind-the-scenes look at the restoration of Santa and his reindeer. The Balboa Park Explorer Pass is your ticket to 16 museums in the Balboa Park Cultural District. Get yours today at buymyexplorer.com.